Good morning, salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian 18-inch crest. You can tell it's really old by the stamp on there. The label's worn off, I guess so. But on this symbol right here, there's a little bit of crack damage around the edge. We're going to repair that. We're going to wave it out right there. Before we do, let's give it a little sound test. Alright, let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian. I don't know if you can tell by looking at the stamp right there. Well, bam, old school symbol right here. Repaired the crack, it's now as smooth as butter. So let's give this symbol a little sound test. Pretty nice, sounds pretty good.